Hey guys, so very exciting. We have an unboxing here of the Galaxy S10 5G variant, and right next to it we have a box of the S10 Plus. So during the video, we'll compare the S10 Plus versus the 5G. So we have a really nice hologram logo, 5G. And we'll just get right to unboxing it. Okay, so this got stuck to the top of the box, but we have the SIM card ejector, and looks like some manuals. Oh, we actually have a free case with it. So, at least for me, this is definitely a first. Definitely a first for Samsung. And we also got our usual manuals here. Ooh, man, that is really nice looking. All right, guys, so we'll take a look at the feel. And then we also have the power adapter. Type-C cable. We also got here some headphones. And also a Type-C to USB converter. All right, guys, so now for the phone. All right, guys, so look here at the 5G. Really beautiful back here. Yeah, really liking the effect on it. Now, I will say this is the most expensive phone I've ever bought. That's actually going to change once I get the Galaxy Fold, but yeah, guys, really expensive phone here. And let's see, it looks like I never like these pre-installed. Looks like there might be a pre-installed screen protector on it. Yeah, never been a fan of this. Actually, this is a piece of plastic. And this to show you all with the bite off here. Man, that is beautiful. So I'll go ahead and power it on now. Yeah, so it's really weird because this phone is pretty similar to the S10 Plus, but it also has a lot of differences. And I'm not actually sure which is better, this or the S10 Plus. All right, guys, so do a brief tour of the phone. Still getting used to the fingerprint there. And then a comparison against the S10 Plus. So first of all, you guys saw that in-display fingerprint. So honestly, guys, I'm still not used to it. I've been using the S10 Plus for a while, but I don't think it's as accurate as the physical. Some of it is just muscle memory, but I also think it's just not as accurate. But aside from that, guys, it's almost all positives. Now, the phone itself is pretty massive. So we have a 6.7-inch screen display, Quad HD. And in the corner here, we have actually the background makes it pretty tough to see it, but we have the hole pin notch. So 2 cameras right there. And on the back, you have 4 cameras, which is a bit of overkill, but pretty awesome. Now at the bottom we have Type-C and still the headphone. On the side we have the power. On the top the SIM card, and unfortunately no micro SD. And the other side we have Bixby and the volume rocker. So yeah guys, again, really nice design. It is a bit big, but really like the look of it. Now the UI is pretty standard for Samsung. Pretty much exactly the same as the other phones running Pi. And fortunately not too much bloat on it. Then we'll just take a quick look here at the camera. So we have access to 3 of the cameras here. The standard, the wide angle, and the telephoto. Yeah, excellent zoom quality for it. Underwater, no copyright. So I'll also do a brief speaker test. So as usual, excellent quality. Now I'll also take a quick look at the free case. Not expecting much from it, but of course it is free. Actually, I think it's better if you go like this. Start right there. And then like that. So yeah guys, I mean, of course it is free. It's not going to protect your phone that much, but it's good for scratches. And all the ports are exposed. Now the buttons are not covered, but you do have some whips right there and right there. So I'm not going to drop it that hard, but if you go like that, then the phone should be fine. Okay, so now for the comparison against the S10 Plus. So right away, it's pretty apparent that the 5G is a lot bigger. Actually, it's not that big a difference. Yeah, I mean, it looks a lot bigger side by side, but stacked is not a huge difference. Now, in terms of screen, both are Quad HD. And the 5G is 0.3 inches larger. Now on the front, both phones have 2 selfie cameras and a larger cutout for the 5G. And on the back, there's 3 cameras against 4. So we have the telephoto, the wide angle for both, and also the depth camera for the 5G. Now at the bottom, both phones have USB Type-C, and of course the headphone jacks. Aside from that, it's pretty much the same. Although the S10 Plus does a micro SD, now the S10 Plus is an option for more storage and of course micro SD. Both phones have the same processor, and again the S10 Plus is an option for more RAM, 12 versus 8. The 5G though has a larger battery, 4500 versus 41. Both phones are waterproof. And of course the big thing, guys, is we have 4G against 5G. So unfortunately I'm going to have to wait for the 5G. It's not available in America yet. But of course, once it comes out, I will do some videos. Alright guys, so of course I have a lot of videos planned. As always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And I'll see you next video.